Hello everyone, today we embark on an incredible journey through one of the most fascinating organs of the human body, the eye. Get ready to explore its structure and functions in a way you have never seen before. So let's begin the journey. First, eye is a gateway to the world. How? How is a gateway to the world? It captures light and transforms into a signals for the brain, composed of multiple specialized structures working in a harmony. The fun fact of the eye is can distinguish about 10 million different colors in the world. How do they do it? Let's step inside and find out. First, there is outer protective layers, the cornea and sclera. Let's begin the journey. The cornea is a transparent dome forced to receive light. The outermost layer of the eye is a cornea which covers the front of eye is a dome shaped, and the periphery is a white of outer covering. For the protection is a sclera. This is a sclera and this is a cornea. Cornea is a transparent dome shape and receive light amount of light and quality of light and helps to focus the light on the lens, and lens focuses the light on the retina. Other one is the pupil and iris. Let's go inside the eye. There is a pupil and the iris. Pupil is a central opening controlling the light entry. There is the opening of the eye which controls the quality and amount of light to enter into the eye. There is a colored part though adjusting the pupil size. The you can say there is a colored part which makes our eye more incredible and beautiful is the iris. Okay, other one is the lens. Lens, the focusing mechanism, is the main structure you can say which helps to focus the light on the retina. They can change their shapes according to light and helps to focus the light on the retina. This is a transparent structure and it's a flexible though which control the quality of light and helps to focus the light on the retina. And this is the lens you can say which we have discussed before. There is a pupil which is a opening, and iris is the colored part of the eye, and this is the lens. There is a aqueous humor in the anterior chamber of the eye, and there is a vitreous humor in the posterior chamber of the eye. Where is the posterior chamber of the eye? You can say the distance between, and there you can say there is a feeling material, feeling gel like substance feeling the eyeball between retina and the lens is the vitreous humor, and the chamber is known as a posterior chamber, and the chamber between the cornea and the lens is called anterior chamber and contains aqueous humor which is watery in appearance. So next one is the vitreous humor, the eye's inner space. It is a gel-like substance filling the eyeball which help to maintain the shape and allow light to pass through it, and to helps to focus the light on the retina which is present behind the lens. Okay, other one is the light retina light sensitive film we can say, which contain many photoreceptor cells. Photoreceptor cells are the photodetective cells you can say. There are rods and cones, and there is a depression point which is called fovea which helps to percept the light particles into the electrical signals, nerve signals, and transmit to the brain through optic nerve. There are rod cells and cone cells in the retina which helps to receive the light and transfer them into the nerve signals. So there is retina in the posterior chamber, and this is the optic nerve which is a fiber like optic nerve which transfer the light signals to the brain. So other one is the optic nerve, which you can say is a messenger to the brain, which transfer visual informations from the retina to the brain and create the perception of sight. Okay, so let's discuss all the things. First, there is cornea. You can say this is the outermost layer, and the periphery is the sclera. And other one next go out inside, there is a pupil which is opening, and the colored part of the eye is called iris, and there is a lens, and in this chamber, which is a anterior chamber, are aqueous humor, and ciliary bodies are which connect the lens are the fibrous ciliary bodies. There is a posterior chamber in which you can say vitreous humor is present and helps to transmit the light to the retina. This is a lens and this is a retina, and other one is the optic nerve, which act as a messenger and transfer the visual information to the brain and create the perception of the sight. Okay, there are some common eye conditions we can face in our life. There is a myopia, which is known as a nearsightedness. Nearsightedness, in this condition, patients are unable to see clear objects which are far away from them. For example, there is a ball present far 10 meter away from the patient. They can't see it clearly. And hyperopia or farsightedness, in which patients are able to see far objects but are unable to see near objects clearly. They can see but they are unclear for them. Okay, other common conditions which we can face are cataract, glaucoma, and retinal detachments. And there is a huge importance of eye care and regular checkups to take care of the eye, because this is our incredible organ and this is a vulnerable to all things. So protect your eyes and follow up the regular. So there is conclusion and fun fact. Our journey through the eye ends here, but its wonder continue. Take care of your eyes because they are truly windows to the soul and truly windows to my channel, you can say. So regular examination, a healthy diet and safety measures are the key to protect your eye. Thank you so much for your time.